Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm shooting with Dannicka, someone I've never worked with before. She's from out of town and we originally planned to shoot in the evening. But, as it often happens, plans changed and we had to shoot in the bright midday sun. Now I thought I was going to outsmart the sun by bringing my FJ80 flash to help fill in those deep shadows. Except that I forgot one crucial thing, the trigger. So no off-camera flash, just me, Dannicka, and the relentless afternoon sun. At that point, I decided to make the best of it and lean into natural light photography. We started up on top of the valley, open skies, golden tones, and absolutely no shade. I had Dannicka sit with the valley behind her, and even though the light was harsh, I liked some of the dramatic shadows it created. Then I turned her directly towards the sun, not always flattering, but it gave a strong, contrasty look that actually worked with her expression and the fall colors. Now I can admit that these conditions weren't the greatest. That harsh shadow isn't really that flattering, but I just wanted to play with the light, see what it was like to shoot with no flash. From there, we moved down into a wooded trail. Finally, some shade. The light softened up beautifully. The sun was filtering through the trees, catching the back of her hair, while her face stayed evenly lit. I shifted positions to use that same backlight to create a dappled effect across her face. It added this almost cinematic glow to the shots. Next, we went down by the creek. Dannicka sat in the tall grass near the riverbank, and we got a completely different vibe. Soft, calm, and natural. It was a nice contrast to the harsh sunlight we started with. We wrapped up under these tall trees. I don't even know what kind they were, but they had these beautiful silvery leaves. I shot two versions, one with the sun behind her where her hair was glowing and her face was softly lit, and another where I moved around and let the sunlight hit her face directly, shooting through the trees for a dreamy, almost ethereal finish. So even though I forgot my flash trigger, it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. Sometimes you just have to embrace the conditions you're given and make them work for you. Most of all, it was awesome working with Dannicka, someone who I've never worked with before, and it was really nice to get to know her and be able to work with a new model. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at shooting in harsh sunlight, hit like and subscribe for more portrait stories like this one. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great week.